Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ma'rifatun Aulia, NIM A31125200094. Today I made a video meeting text for. My name is Cool, and over the next few minutes I'm going to teach you that it's okay to be different. Since young age, I've worn different colored socks and two different shoes. Why? Because I'm unique. I stand out from the crowd. I feel best when I being me. This summer, a funny thing happened. I was in a bookstore with my mom when I realized everyone was tranquil quiet. And so I did what needed to be done. I started saying as a joke. My mom pointed to a book and said, "Hi, cool. This is books for you." I pulled it out and read the cover. Here's what it said: Your Word, a creative journal of mischief, outbursts, and anyone else was uniquely awesome. It's the best book ever. It tells everyone it's cool to be different. Today I'm going to tell you about a friendship of mine that is a little different than you might expect. This is one of my best friend, Steven. He is the happiest person I know. Steven is 44 years old and has awesome. Let me start by explaining how we become special friends. When my mom was just 13 years old, she was in the high school cafeteria about to have lunch with her friends. Then she passed a table of kids, two, two special needs. Steven was a boy at the table. He saw it out. "Hey, what's your name? Come say it with me." My mom sat down, and in the moment a special friendship began. Steven asked my mom 3 questions. He wanted to know that she was having for lunch, her phone number, and if they could be friends for 40 years. As my mom gave him her phone number and said yes, he clapped it with excitement and said, I will I will call you every day." Ever since that day in 1988, he has kept his promise and called your house every single day. When I was born, Steven was a special part of your family, and if grown up, calling him Uncle Stephen. Stephen is included in my family dinners. He comes to my soccer games. He loves watching with us, and every couple of weeks he has a sleepover. Stephen has had awesome his whole life. Spectrum disorder refers to a range of conditions characterized by challenges with social skill, repetitive behaviors, speech, and nonverbal communications, as well as by unique strengths and difference. My friend Steven is not able to drive a car, but he is able to memorize every phone number he has every heart. There is no cure for autism, but I think Steven perfect the way he is. One of my favorite memories with Steven is whenever a fire truck passed us. He shouts out, "When I drive, I want to fire truck." That always makes me smile. He likes the idea of being a fireman, but he loves the idea of being a fire truck. Another thing that always makes me laugh is how he likes to eat. Have you ever met someone who can eat a steak, a piece of pizza, french fries, apple pie, ice cream, and they are still having? Well, Stephen and all that almost every time we see him. Finally, one of memories with Stephen is when we play hide and seek. He always hid and seek the closet. I loved playing hide and seek with Stephen. He always makes me smile, but not just me. He makes everyone smile. I don't think we need to care for autumn, just like we don't need to care for blacklists. Autumn is not a disease, just like brown hair isn't a disease. You don't need to fix something that isn't broken. I look up to my uncle Stephen as he is the happiest person I know. Stephen doesn't try to be like anyone else. He is exactly who he was meant to be. Imagine a world where we all live like Stephen. Find out what makes you different. Don't be afraid to stand out. Wake up, jump out of bed, and be exactly who you are. We are all a little different, and that's awesome. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.